Hi, Ms. Snow. Thank you for being with us. Can you introduce yourself to the jury and spell your last name for the record?
My name is Melissa Snow, last name S-N-O-W.
And how long have you lived in the area, Ms. Snow?
Since August of 2015, so 10 years.
All right. And I know you're a little bit nervous, but if you don't mind just trying to talk as close as you can.
Okay.
Perfect. So where do you work?
I work at the YMCA Early Learning Academy at PGT. Everybody just calls it PGT Preschool.
All right. And is that preschool located at 101 Triple Diamond Boulevard in Nokomis, Florida?
Yes.
Okay. And is that building area near the Laurel Road exit of I-75?
Yes, very close.
Okay. And what is your position there?
Assistant director,
Okay. When do you typically go into work in the morning?
approximately 7:30 a.m.
All right. And taking you back to September 1st of 2023, did you go into work on or about the same time that you usually do that day?
Yes.
All right. Was it light out when you arrived?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you got there, were you informed that any special safety precautions were being used by the school that day?
Yes, we were on a lockdown
And why was that?
because we had received word that there was a suspect believed to be in the area.
Okay. Now, when you arrived, did you immediately go inside or did you stay out in the parking lot?
I got out of my car and saw a family getting out of their vehicle, and then knowing that somebody was in the area, I stopped and said, "Hey guys, hurry up and get inside." And then I noticed somebody walking down the walkway that I did not recognize.
Okay, so when you say somebody walking down the walkway that you did not recognize, was it a man or a woman?
Man,
Okay, and was that unusual to see someone you didn't know?
very.
Why?
I had worked there for 5 years at that point and knew every family very well.
Okay, so where was that man when you first noticed him?
Well, there's a sidewalk directly in front of the school that separates it from the busier road, and he was walking directly in front of the school.
Okay, and which direction was he going?
He was going south.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was he going towards Laurel Road?
Yes, he was going towards Laurel Road.
All right. Now, at any point, did that man get close to you?
Yes, he walked directly behind me. I'd say within a foot or two.
A foot or two? All right. And did you notice about him, was he young or old?
Young.
And what was he wearing at that time?
I believe it was a gray tank top and some shorts.
Okay. Now, did anything stick out to you about his appearance?
Yes, he looked dirty, like he was rolling around in mud.
Okay. And can you describe for the jury that man's demeanor?
He seemed relatively calm, didn't seem aggravated or anything like that.
Okay. So just a man going on a walk?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, after the man walked away, did you feel like what you had observed could be significant?
Yeah, just because of the fact that I didn't recognize him, and I know everybody that walks by.
All right. So when you went inside, did you contact police to let them know what you saw?
Yes, I immediately called 911.
All right. A moment to confer, Your Honor.
You may.
All right. So that man that you saw, was he heavy set, thin?
Pretty average, not very tall.
Yeah. And do you remember anything about his hair?
Dirty blonde, light brown.
All right. No further questions, Your Honor.
All right. Defense?
Just so that I'm
clear, ma'am, Ms. Snow, he was walking on the sidewalk out in front of the school, correct?
Yes.
Didn't come on the school property?
Yes, I think it would be considered the school property. We have our own parking lot that, so it's the Knights Trail, and then there's a sidewalk, and then there's our parking lot, and then there's another sidewalk directly in front of our school.
So the sidewalk that he was walking on was the one directly next to the road?
No,
It was the one that was, is there a fence that you have to climb over or anything to get to that sidewalk?
no,
Again, you described it as somebody just going for a walk that you didn't recognize, correct?
correct. But it was directly in front of our school.
Nothing further.
Any redirect?
Just briefly.
Judge, if we could approach just really quickly.
You may. All right, state when you're ready. You may continue with your redirect.
So just briefly, Ms. Snow, so you said that you were aware of a BOLO being issued in the area of your preschool.
Yes,
Okay, so you contacted law enforcement with what you saw out of concern for just the safety of everyone in your community, in your school.
right.
Okay, no further questions.
Is the witness free to step down?
No objection.
All right, you may step down, ma'am. Can we get another witness in before lunch? No?
No, but can we announce on the record that Ms. Snow is excused?
Is the witness free to go, Mr. Gilman?
I have no objection.
You're free to leave, ma'am. You have no more obligation under your subpoena.
Thank you, Ms. Snow.
All right, so by saying